Bilang isang ina, hindi sapat ang isang source of income. Dahil dyan ay sinimulan ni Kayla Icabales ang kanyang sariling negosyo for extra income para sa kanyang pamilya. Alamin natin ang business story niya dito lang sa Negosyo Tayo.
Ang pagkakaroon ng tama at sapat na pahinga ay mahalaga upang maging produktibo. At ayon sa maraming eksperto, ang pagpili ng tamang kalidad ng kumot o bedsheet ay maaring magbigay ng comfort at kaginhawaan para sa isang magandang tulog. Kaya naman isang bedsheet business ang aming pinuntahan upang alamin ang kanilang sikreto sa successful na negosyo. Kanegosyo with me is business owner Ms. Kayla Icabales. Hi, Ms. Kayla.
Hello po.
Ms. Kayla, kwentuhan mo naman kami. Paano ka nagsimula sa business mo?
Meron na po akong maliit na business before. Nagbebenta kami ng iba't ibang klaseng pangbahay, home decors. And then, na-notice ko na pinakapatok na benta is bedsheet.
How much ang capital mo nung nagsimula ka with your bedsheets?
Nag-start po ako ng 30,000 capital. Tapos, nung first month is umabot kami ng siguro 200 to 300.
Paano to? May nagma-manufacture for you or ikaw talaga mismo ang nagsusource out nito?
We manufacture our own sheets. Meaning, we have our own tailor shop. Kami po mismo nagde-design from scratch. Original design. Yung mga fabric po that we use, we import it. So it's not the same fabric that you can see elsewhere. Super soft, super smooth.
On the business aspect or side, ano yung mga naging problema natin along the way?
Talagang finding the right people for your team. Kasi not everyone aligns with your values.
Correct.
So, doesn't mean na babait siya is already, skillful enough to be part of your business. Not everyone cares for your business kahit mabait.
Ano ba yung mga lessons naman na natutunan mo building this journey, business journey of yours that you would like to share?
You have to listen to the people. Like, it doesn't mean na gusto mo yung product mo is magugustuhan po ng tao. Listen to your customers lagi. Learn to innovate your product. Like, don't just settle for less. Settle for the best. And yun, keep upgrading your business, your brand.
Ano naman yung business tips na pwede mong ibigay sa mga gusto rin mag-start up ng business na katulad mo?
Be confident with what you have. If you have guts and confidence, just do it. Don't overthink, just do it.
Bakit ba kailangan magnegosyo ng mga bawat mamamayang Pilipino?
For me personally po, I'm a mom. Isang source of income is not enough. So I try to have multiple source of income, and one of my source of income is having an e-commerce store.
Walang masama sa pagsubok ng iba't ibang produkto at negosyo dahil at the end of the day, ang susi sa isang successful business ay passion at perseverance. Yan po ang aral na ibinahagi sa atin ng business owner na si Ms. Kayla Icabales. Sa susunod po na episode, isa na namang business story at business tips ang aming ibabahagi sa inyo mga kanegosyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!